In the midst of progress, data is our compass, guiding us to think deeper, reach higher, make new possibilities real. Our world is transforming. Change is our constant. And data must flow everywhere life is happening. So, how can you accelerate innovation to match the pace of change, today and tomorrow? How can you optimize while you grow? How can you balance control and flexibility? How can you take advantage of AI, cloud native, and what is next? In this ever-changing world, Nutanix brings clarity and control to your apps, data, and AI seamlessly and securely, so you can innovate without limits. It's time for a modern, future-ready platform. Get ready to run anything, anywhere.
Please welcome Nutanix Chief Marketing Officer, Mandy Dhaliwal.
Good morning, Washington, D.C. Welcome. Welcome to .next 2025. Wow. The energy in here. Is that standing room back there? We have over 5,000 people here in attendance. Thank you for joining us this week. You're part of a global community of over 100,000 and growing quickly. Amazing to see you all here. And also, right off the bat, I'd like to thank our sponsors. Without your partnership, we wouldn't be able to do this. The power of our ecosystem just keeps getting better and better. We're proud to work with each of you to meet the needs of our joint customers. And a special thank you to our platinum sponsors: AMD, AWS, Cisco, Google Cloud, HPE, Lenovo, Microsoft, Omnissa, Pure Storage, and TCS. Thank you. So, we're in a very exciting and dynamic time in technology, probably one of the most dynamic times of our lifetimes. Each of us is leading change, and it's happening quickly. We need to figure out how to leverage the technology in front of us to solve our biggest challenges and drive our enterprises forward. There are new demands on us. AI, headlines every day. Apps and data are everywhere and are exploding. This week, this next 2.5 days, is all about addressing today's challenges and modernizing the tech debt of the past. We're also here, we've come a long way. We're here to prove to you that we are the platform to help you run anything, anywhere, today and tomorrow. We're here to replace complexity with simplicity. We're going to reduce that vendor lock-in and give you more choice. We're delivering automation and efficiency with data security and resilience built into our platform. So let's dive in. I'm going to have Rajiv come out here momentarily. Here's what you can expect. He's going to share his vision of where we're headed. He's also going to share some exciting innovations, partner announcements, and my favorite part, the customer stories. We've got a great lineup of customers for you to hear about how they're processing our technology. And then I get the distinct privilege of sitting down with one of my heroes, Chef Jose Andres. He's going to lead us in a conversation and give us a powerful perspective on leadership, resilience, and using innovation to drive impact on a global scale. So, without further ado, my honor to introduce our president and CEO, who's leading Nutanix with purpose, empathy, and clarity to deliver the best in innovation and the best customer experience so you can do what matters most to you and your business. Please put your hands together in a big round of applause for Rajiv Ramaswamy. Come on out.
Thank you, Mandy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome, everybody. It's great to see all of you. Wow, full house. It's great to see this. It's my favorite time of the year when we get together with all of you, our customers, our partners, all in one location for the week. Really looking forward to it. Now, since the last time we met, and this was Barcelona last year, a lot has changed around us. Generative AI has seen rapid advances, and it's impacting almost every aspect of our personal lives and our professional lives. It's even impacting us in kind of silly ways. In fact, there's this latest trend that's trending out there where you can actually go into ChatGPT, and with a few prompts, you can create an action figure of yourself. Even the New York Times picked this up. So I thought, OK, I was intrigued. Well, why not try this on myself? And here's what it did. Now, I thought this was pretty fun. But then I thought, really, it's all AI anyways, so why not actually have it do something in terms of trying to make me the action figure that I really want to be, not the one that I want, not the one that I am at. So tried this again with a few different prompts in terms of what I wanted, and then here's what it gave me this time around. I think, now, if only now Gen AI could get me back my black hair in real life and make me a little buffer than I really am, that would be even better. But hey, this was a fun example of AI. But we all know we've got a lot more serious things on our mind. We've got a lot of serious things to do here. And it's all of you in this room that are going to make this happen for your organizations. Now, we're going to be talking about all of this and more. So let me officially welcome you to .next. We live in a world of uncertainty around us, lots of things changing around us, geopolitics, macroeconomy. But I'll tell you what's not changed. That is our commitment to you. Our fundamental culture principles are that we obsess about your success, and we think long term. We are focused on continuing to delight you, bring you the products you need, bring you the innovation, bring you the partner ecosystem you need. And I'm proud of the fact, and every employee at Nutanix is proud of the fact that we've been serving you for the last 15 years, and for the last 10 years, you've all given us an NPS score of 90+, and we intend to keep that going as a company. Now, you choose us because of the simplicity that we bring to your environments, the consumer-like experience that you get with the Nutanix product family, the freedom of choice at every layer in the stack that you deploy, the automation, the level of automation that the platform delivers for you, simplifying, again, how you operate, while at the same time reducing your total cost of ownership significantly, and providing mission-critical resiliency, security for the most mission-critical applications that you run in your environments. So we want to be a platform of choice for the long term. And we are investing in this. We are investing in our innovations. We are growing our ecosystem and continuing to drive this going forward. Now, in fact, what's interesting here from an ecosystem perspective is I think this year we have about 86 partners who are sponsoring the show. Back a few years ago, it was only 25, and you can see how this has grown. So we're going to talk about all of this today. And over the next hour or so, we're going to focus on our long-term vision, the roadmap of what we are bringing to market. You'll hear from a new strategic partner. You're going to hear from some of our customers about how we are helping you all modernize your infrastructure, migrate away from legacy vendors such as VMware, and then look into the future as you transform your businesses with modern applications, giving you the platform to be able to run those applications very effectively anywhere, and then take you on a path to the Agentic AI future.